Angel of the Lord appeared unto him in a flame of fire out of the midst of a bush. And he looked, and behold, the bush burned with fire, and the bush was not consumed. Popcorn Elijah.
I will now turn aside and see this great sign. Why?
Seeing the affliction of my people which are in Egypt, and have heard their cry by reason of their taskmaster. And Moses said unto God, Behold, when I come unto the children of Israel, and shall say unto them, The God of your fathers has sent me unto you, and they shall say to me, What is his name? What shall I say unto them? And God said unto Moses, I am that I am. And he said, Thus shalt thou unto the children of Israel.
Thus shalt thou say unto the children of Israel, The Lord God of your fathers out my hand and smite.
Remember there's an E at the end.
Smite Egypt with all my wonders which I will do in the midst thereof, and after that he will let you go, and I will give his people favor. And shall come to pass that when ye go, ye shall not go.
That's probably how they got telescope.
Mm-hmm. What does tele mean?
Far away at distance.
And then the scopio means to look at. So telescope.
You're
the scopio.
Far away.
Very good. The earliest people, the first nomads. Where do you live? Where do you sleep? Do you sleep in the same bed every night? Or do you move into a new house every week? A long time ago, who has money for that? A long time ago, about 1,000 years, families didn't live in houses and shop at grocery stores. Instead, they wandered from place to place looking for food and sleeping in tents or caves. Ancient families who lived this way were called nomads. Nomad means a person who wandered. Ew. That's what they ate.
That's nasty. It's not nasty. It's good meat.
It was good meat to them.
Rabbit wizard?
Would you eat your lizard, Trey?
Oh no. Not rabbit. They have to stomp them though.
Men hunted. looking at myself.
Not today.
Hey, my hair is a mess. A mess, a mess. Oh, okay, anyways. What? Another one that's the size of that black one. There you go. A Ziploc bag, ice, water, and a stove.
So we have
a Ziploc bag of ice already in the freezer. Okay, so Trey, you're filling the saucepan 1/4 of a way with hot water. Okay, no. Let me see. Okay, go ahead and sit on the stove. And then it says put the saucepan on a burner, but don't turn on the burner. On opposite sides of the saucepan. So it needs to be one on each side. Fill the Ziploc bag with ice and put it on the lid. It didn't tell us we needed a lid, did it? Nope.
we have a lid.
Do you think they're talking about the...
Go. So we swapped to use the plate. What do you guys see happening right now?
The smoke.
The smoke coming
Is it smoke or
gas?
Gas.
or
It's
steam? And
Steam.
steam is liquid in what form?
It's gas.
Very good.
It's going from the plate.
Don't no. Don't put your hands there because it's hot.
Burn.
It will burn you.
Is it gonna melt the ice?
I'm gonna watch and see.
It seems like the ice gets smaller because the bag has more space now.
So the ice is melting.
Because when water goes from its liquid phase to a solid phase, what does it do? Does it expand or contract?
It contract.
Contract means to get smaller.
it expands.
It expands, very good. So when it's going from its solid phase back down,
It's
you're gonna see more.
fogging up.
Yep, so you see all the steam coming? What are you working on?
Science.
I know, but what
Oh.
about science? We just did our science experiment, and what are you drawing?
I'm drawing I'm drawing a explanation. Not an explanation, but I can't think of the word, but it's supposed to be a little I'll say summary of what happens when water is evaporated and it forms a cloud, and then the cloud gets too heavy, then it starts to let water out, then it starts to rain. And now I'm
Okay.
just writing a little summary of what happened, a description.
Oh, okay, so you drew the picture, now you're going to make a description about what the picture is explaining.
That's one.
You want to see my picture? Do y'all want to see my picture? My picture sucks because I can't draw. That's supposed to be a dark cloud, that's why I colored it in black. Those are cooking lunch. And what are you working on?
Math.
So are you finished with your science? Okay, so
Bum.
let's see.
Ba ba bum.
Okay, so we're adding a new way to get to 11. So last week we learned 9 and 2 gives you 11. This week you're learning what other two numbers give you 11?
8 and 3.
8 and 3, very good.
Hi.
They can't see you. Okay, well, we're gonna do some counting by twos, starting from 82
That's where I stopped at last.
all the way to 150. And then you have your clocks here. What time is this?
7 o'clock,
Very good.
10 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 6 o'clock.
Okay, you got the hang of it. Okay, what are you working on?
Vocabulary.
Vocabulary. Okay. So, did you already take your vocabulary test from last week?
I took it today.
So, you have new words here. Do you know your words?
Bulwark, bulwark, accumulate,
Okay.
engulf, feasible, glut, havoc, impregnable,
are you working on?
Math.
Dividing decimals by whole numbers. Manicure set at the table with you. You're working on math too, still?
I have a timer set for me. See over there.
You set the time. What are we working on?
Math.
Say hello.
Oh.